Hello friends, today we are going to resolve a very common issue of Android Studio in which the image is not visible. As you can see here, this is my image, but it is not visible here, or even when I run this app, it is not visible on my phone also. So how to resolve this issue? First of all, as you can see, this is the logo, this is my image. You have to do nothing, just copy this image and paste it in this drawable folder. It is a very easy technique, just paste it here. Okay, so once this image is pasted, you have to go to the second step, that is you have to go to the XML text. Okay, this is text, and now you have to write a line which is Android source is equal to at drawable, and now as you can see it is suggesting me to write this. So QCD logo, this QCD logo is my image name. Okay, this will be different for yours. And now just try this app, run this app. It takes a little time in building. Android Studio is little slow when it comes to building apps, but once it is built, you will see that now the image is visible in our phone as well. So it is built, as you can see, and now as you can see my image is also visible in my phone. So friends, if this trick was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you friends.